Alright, so in this video, we're going to install Motion and create our very first animation in a React project. So if you're new to Motion, think of it as a lightweight animation library designed specifically for modern UI frameworks like React and Vue. It gives us simple and powerful tools to bring our interfaces to life, and it's without writing any complex CSS or JavaScript logic. And the best part, most of the animations can be written directly in the JSX using readable props such as animate, initial, and transitions. So let's see that in action. First, let's install Motion package. So I'm using a Next.js app. It's based on React. It's the same. What we can do is let's bring up our terminal. And for this example, I'm using Bun. So I can write Bun add Motion. Feel free to use NPM or PNPM or Yarn. Use wherever package manager you prefer. So now if I head over to our page, we have a very simple code, a dark page with a centered text saying hello Motion. Now that the package is installed, at the top level of the app page, what we can do is we can import Motion from Motion React. Perfect. And now instead of a div or a regular div, what we can use is motion.div, which gives us a built-in animation support. Here's a very simple animation to start with. We can start with an initial prop and set the opacity to 0. The syntax is very important here. So the prop name equal and double curly braces, we write the value opacity to 0, and we can animate the opacity to 1. What this does is very straightforward. The element will animate its opacity to 1 when it appears on the screen. That means it will fade in automatically when the page loads. So initially the opacity is going to be 0, and when it animates, the opacity is going to be 1. By default, we have a set duration. If we didn't set any specific duration, it's set to 300 milliseconds, I think. So no need for a custom CSS classes or extra configurations. You can just describe exactly what you want, and Motion takes care of the rest. So now if we can save and head over to our browser, let's refresh. And as you can see, the text is fading. Perfect. That was our first Motion animation. In the next video, we will build and go more deeper and explore more props so we can take more control on our animations, how it starts, and how long it takes. See you there.